Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Notifications immediately. This puts you where Controls live. Once there, scan the app list to find the app you want to silence. Make sure you also note any active focus or Do Not Disturb profiles because they override per app settings. If a focus is on, you may need to adjust it before changes take effect. Follow along and tap the target app to enter its notification options now. Now you're inside an app's notification screen where the real control happens. If you want zero alerts, flip Allow Notifications off. That immediately stops banners, sounds, and badges. If you prefer selective silence, leave Allow on and uncheck Lock Screen, Notification Center, or banners to limit where alerts appear. Make sure to toggle sounds and badges if you don't want noise or red dots. Once adjusted, press back to repeat for other apps. To finish, use a focus profile to silence categories of apps quickly. Turn it on or schedule it for nights or meetings. Make sure you add allowed contacts or apps if exceptions are required, and verify silent mode and volume are set as intended. If a notification still appears, restart your iPhone to apply changes, and if problems persist, reset notification settings or check for software updates. That troubleshooting step typically resolves lingering misconfigurations or bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.